Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to replace the light bulb for your license plate on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Alright, what you'll be needing is a flathead, and just go ahead and reach up in here and press it on the sides on both ends. I already had that prep, and out this comes off, and then you have access to your light bulb right there. All you simply do is just pull down, wiggle it back and forth, and there it is, and you're ready to replace it. So let's go ahead and grab a new one. And here's my treasure chest of light bulbs, and we'll just look for that one. We got a bunch of LED ones. Oh look, there it is right there. Go ahead and pull that one out. I should throw an LED in there, but I don't really like these because they start to flicker after a while. But this one is going to be nice and amber, and it's going to last for a while. So let's go ahead and slap this bad boy in here. I'm just like so, sideways like this. Go ahead and use both hands. Alright, and there it is, and I went ahead and turned on the lights just to make sure it's working before I put this little cover back on. Might want to clean it off. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it real quick. Alright, there it is, nice and clean. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in. This goes like this, backwards. And just lock it into place. There it is. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.